You are a business owner and you would have some payments going out of your business, such as paying an advance to a vendor or taking money out of the business for personal use. These are situations where there is no purchase of goods or services for the business, but yet a payment goes out. Let's look at how to make this entry into your MeraBills account. Click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen beside the expense button. A pop-up screen will appear. Click on Payment Out, which has the icon of a wallet with a red arrow inside the wallet. You will reach the Add Payment Out page. Click on Select Party. Enter your own name if you have taken money out of the business, or choose the name of the person who you have paid an advance to. Enter the amount. Choose whether this is a cash payment or a UPI payment. Click on Save to enter this transaction.